Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video as a weekly recap, trades taken last week. So let's get started. Week before that, I forgot to make the market recap. I was thinking, but I just was busy and forgot. So this week I just decided to do it now. So the week started on the 18th April, and with the yen weakening badly, right? So all yen pairs, you will see that, long, and then later on short last day because it's making a turn now. So CAD yen here, 20-minute setup, by the book setup, beautiful setup, and it's a buy entry here, SL move to break even plus 80 pip from here to here on the 18th. On the 18th, USD yen also went up. I had several trades in these because of the yen weakness, and in my previous, like several weeks ago, I said the yen is going to get very, very weak, and all yen pairs going to be flying to the upside, and they did. So this is my entry here for 70 pip here. Here, Bitcoin, from here, the entry was around like what, 3920. 39,200, and it went up. But when I closed, it was at 40,600, 700, 40,700 right here. So there was the Bitcoin. Okay, now Euro yen again. The yen, yen party was going on. So it was beautiful long for 100 pip. Euro yen again. This is the one you just saw, and then little dip, and after that again for 95 pip on the 19th. And USD yen again, this is the one I just showed you a little while ago, right? On the 18th, and then on the 19th, a little dip here, and then again running to the upside. So beautiful long here for 70 more pip on the 19th. On the 19th, pound franc long for 80 pip here. And here, see Aussie yen. You see all yen going to the upside big time. So this is entry from here, and I should close up there, but when you're not available, so you can't close. So 80 pip here, and on the 20th. Now on the 20th, pound Aussie, then this is the sell. You start going, Aussie was getting strong. Later it will get weaker badly, but this is what happened on the 20th. Actually, there was pound, to be honest. The pound was getting weaker. I'll show you the chart later on. That's 100 pip here on the 20th. And on the 20th, pound CAD, everything pound will go down. Only euro pound go up. All right. So this is, and I'm going to show you my telegram that I tweeted on the 20th that pound is going to get weaker. So this is a short here for 95 pip. And pound Nuzi, again, all pound paired down, yen pairs up, they are all systematic, if you understand. 115 pip on the 20th, and then again pound yen, beautiful short here for 80 pip on the 20th. And now the 20th USD yen, you see the yen making a turn now to the downside. You start getting strong. So all yen pairs now down, going down. Euro Nuzi, long entry here, and this was a beautiful entry here, but I forgot to close here. It dipped and went up, 115 pip on the 21. And then on the 21st, pound franc, this was because of the franc, even though pound was getting weaker, but I had this one and this one because of the franc weakness. Not much, 60 pip only, but everything counts. Newsy USD, what happened is that the last, at the end of the week, Aussie and Newsy start to get very, very weak. And that's why Euro Aussie, pound Aussie, they went up. And then Aussie, Newsy, Aussie yen, no, Newsy yen, Aussie yen, and Newsy USD, wherever Aussie and Newsy on the left-hand side, they dropped. So this is a small one of 60 pip here. And see Euro Aussie, Aussie weakness, taking this thing to the upside on the 21st. And then Aussie, Euro Aussie again, this is the one I just showed you. This is the next one on the 22nd for 70 pip. This system, it gives you very, very exact and good looking, perfect entries. For example, here, 4 conditions. Yellow must be above the black. This indicates all the way down. Must have a higher low compared to this. This low is much higher than this. And then red candle coming down here and touching at least the yellow line and then coming out with a couple of blue candles, and then you open a trade like here. Exactly. See that? The red comes out, came down, and then the blue start to go up. Right here, I open the entry. I open a trade, and my SL is always below the low or the high if I'm going short, and it is always 25 pip in this system. No more than that. So if I get hit, sometimes 10 pip, 5 pip, 15 pip, very, very seldom 25 pip. But because when I make the entry, it is such a setup that it goes up a little bit, and I move my SL a little bit. If it comes back, then hardly I lose like 10 pip, and that happens once in a while. You can see here, for example, this one was the entry. This indicated this one, and this one, right? You can see that never hit the SL here, never hit the SL here, never hit the SL here. If you make the entry, the price goes your way straight up. And you'll see in every trade. Let's go more on this one on the 22nd. Remember, the pound was getting weak, yen was getting strong, and this is the result, 230 pip. USD franc, I hardly trade this pair, but this week I just did it because Frankie was getting weaker. So I said, okay, well, there. So 22nd, 85 pip here, and these are the 20 trades. And you can see here as well that if you go long here, your SL never gets hit, even here. Right? Sometimes your SL get hit, but you make second entry, you take it, and then you recover everything, and you make a lot more than that. That's how it is. Let me show you about the pound, for example. On my Twitter, yeah, it is right here. You see that? I have, this is what I, post on heads up and my charts and all of that, right? But look, here on the April 20th, I posted the pound index hit 66.32 for the second time, and now might be dropping. All pound pairs will go down with that, except euro pound, which I don't even trade. Right, pound is on the right hand side on that, but all the other pound pairs. And you just saw that how many pound short I had, right? Now let me show you what happened after the 20th, like 21st and 22nd in pound pairs. I said all pound pair going to be dropping, and 66.32 was the target for pound index, and it's supposed to drop from there. So here we go. You see that the daily chart here, pound index, this was the 20th where I tweeted, and the 21st went up, but it stays below 66.32 and start dropping big time on the 22nd, right? So because of that, look what happened to pound USD. Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie didn't drop because Aussie was getting weaker as well. Similar, New Zealand dollar was also getting weaker, so they cancel each other. They can go up or down. But pound yen, look at that. Pound was getting weaker and yen was getting strong. So this is what happened. This is a daily chart, 4-hour chart, all of these. Pound CAD, 4-hour chart. Pound franc, 4-hour chart, right? So all of these pairs, they went down big time, and you can see how many trades you could easily, and I had it. Let me show you again. Pound franc, I had a couple of long because Frankie was getting even more weaker than pound, so it went up. Now see pound yen down, and pound franc, this was going up, but pound yen again down, pound Nuzi down, pound CAD down. On the 20th, right after I tweeted, they were going down, and I took the advantage of it. So this is how it is. So I showed you the Telegram, and here's my website. If you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you can go to my website, subscribe here. And if you need to learn everything, like if you are new and you don't know anything about Forex and you want to know everything about the Forex from A to Z, I have one-on-one coaching here, right? If you go there, you can watch the video where I explained what you're going to be learning, all of these things that you're going to be learning, some of the charts that you're going to see, and a lot more than that, and then how you can sign up for that. You have a video here. a different chart explaining, you're going to be learning harmonic patterns and then Elliott wave, all of that, trend line, support, resistance, everything, channels, and how to do everything, and then Fibonacci tool, how to use it properly. That's very, very important. I see a lot of people use it the wrong way, and that's why you get, they get burned. So you must understand the tool, and you must use it the right way. Right here, you have all the recordings of my previous webinar to watch and learn a lot from that. So this is my website. Like I said, that if you want to get it, you want to be a part of it, just come here and sign up. Either you have different options here. And one-on-one is right here. Okay, so this is how it is. I just wanted to show you guys, and making new charts. Let me just show you one chart. Well, I'll show it in my next video. This is already big, right? Just wanted to give you guys hint about the US dollar index. It's about to reach to the high, and then will start dropping maybe next week or around the mid of the week. All right, so the game will change. Anyway, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.